If you are struggling to fit your iMovie video screen, then you can watch this video. This one really helpful to fit your video screen. So at first, just export your movie, what you have created already in your iMovie. Just I'm trying to show you from the first that I'm exporting that video from iMovie. You can see the iMovie screen not perfect, and you cannot fit. There is no option to fit your skin. Just you can pinch to zoom. That's it. But if you zoom, then your video, the full one, you cannot see. So after exporting that movie in your album, you can see that almost finished my exporting movie. Okay, just click on OK. Yeah, then go to your album and open that video. Yes, just try to crop it. From edit button, you can see that crop option. Just crop it and see, like a magic, you can see that screen is video is perfect for your in screen. Okay, just done. Click on save it. Yes,